Hey y'all, what's up? This is your girl E checking in. How y'all doing? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. All right, as you can see here, your girl, you feel me? Your girl just dropped some ice in this gorgeous cup. Okay, I want to feel bougie today. I don't know. You know, I'm finna drink my coffee in this one. But you guys stay tuned. Your girl finna be making her coffee. You feel me? So let's go ahead and get started. I think that's how y'all do it, right? Y'all put the ice first. Hold on. Then your girl gonna be using this no mess cap. You feel me? That's Sunday syrup. You feel me? Sugar-free caramel. Period. All right. So let me go ahead and add a little drizzle in that ice and you know, on the side of the cup. All right. Hold on, y'all. Alright, you guys, as you can see, your girl went ahead and add the caramel. So your girl finna add just a little bit more. You feel me? Alright. Alright, you guys. As you can see, your girl right here. Okay, Starbucks, not sponsored by the way, y'all. So let's go ahead and add our creamer. Alright, let's go ahead and add it. No, wait a minute. Girl, you doing this wrong, sis. You doing it. I don't care. It's my way. My coffee. Period. Don't matter. Alright, let's add some coffee, y'all. But before we finish this, before we add the coffee, it looks so good, y'all. Look. Yes, ma'am. It looks so good. That's how you know your girl needs her coffee. You feel me? Because your girl doing this thing backward, y'all. Hold on. Help your girl out. Can I get some help? Help me out. Help me out. Help me out. Jeez. There we go. Stop. No. Yeah, stop, girl. Stop. Don't add no more. Okay. Maybe we could go for a little bit more. Yes, ma'am. That's it. Alright, so let's go ahead and add a cream. Extra creamy. Yes, sir. Kind of make it look so pretty. Girl, what you doing? Don't come for me, y'all. I tried. It just not working this morning. I tried. Guess what? I'm still gonna upload this video. Okay, be sure to like it, sis. Just like it. Okay, just like it. All right, what we gonna do next? We're gonna go ahead and this. Oh, I forgot to add salt, but it's all right. All right, you guys, I'm out of here. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And always put God first. Bye, y'all. Still going up right now. Like.